In this video, we'll show you how to install custom-fit seat covers on a 2019 Ford Mustang. Check the description below to see all compatible covers. Open the bottom flap of the front seat by releasing the two loop straps underneath. Move the backrest to an upright position. While holding the button at the base, lift the headrest out. To install the bottom cover, position it on your car seat, ensuring it aligns with the seat's contour. Find the loop near the seatbelt holder, then pull it over the holder for a snug fit. Push the buckle straps through the seat crevice. Place the buckle straps underneath the seat, positioning them to connect with the buckles you pass through the crevice, now located on the back side of the seat. Now, connect the straps to their buckles and tighten for a secure fit. Push the side soft bar into the crevice of the seat. Make sure to tuck in any excess fabric. Slide the backrest cover onto the seat, aligning it with the contour until it's fully secured. Insert the hook and loop straps through the crevice between the seat back and bottom. Fold down the flap. Open the hook and loop strap, then wrap and secure it to the back side of the backrest for a tight fit. Unseal the hook and loop by peeling off its backing. Secure the hook and loop fastener to the seat's backside. Draw the shoulder strap out from the opening. Make sure to create an opening at the base of the headrest holder. Reattach your headrest. Slip the headrest cover over the headrest. To remove the bottom seat, push the two mechanisms on the left and right sides. While pressing, lift the seat upward to release and remove it. Place the bottom seat cover on your car seat, following its contour. Flip the seat over and adjust the cover to keep it aligned. Attach the metal hooks to the loop straps, then secure the hooks underneath the seat. Follow the video to ensure the hooks are connected correctly. Unseal the hook and loop by peeling off its backing. Secure the hook and loop fastener to the seat's backside. Separate the backrest and slide the cover on, matching the shape of the seat. Open the hook and loop strap, then wrap and secure it to the backside of the backrest for a tight fit. Flip the bottom of the cover, unseal the backrest cover, and secure the hook and loop fastener to the back of the seat. Draw the shoulder strap out from the opening. Repeat the steps for any remaining seats and enjoy your newly installed custom-fit Mustang seat covers.